Among breakfast. Yan. Open. Something with soup. Vegetable soup or whatever it is. We have egg. We have bread. We have boiled egg. And we have juice here. Yeah, we have coffee there. They never serve something hot. So our sister here, Stayali, La Chili. Shivering cold already. Giniginaw na sa madam. Ang mga kiddos, lihukan kaya, halawaros. Hello. Yung mga adopted ko isa. See? From here, you can see the Fuji here, you know?
Tugnaw.
Gitugnaw dyan kami. Yan lang. Parang tugnawa dyan. Yung klo. Yung klo sa kasi tugnaw ka dyan. Anong tugnawa? Nangurug-kurug sila sa katugnaw. No? Negative ba takara na? Negative 4, 5. There you go. Yan ang breakfast. Simple na breakfast namin. Kalamukat yung bahay namin. Baka dawag heater. Ito pala yung mga